Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Ronald W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of TransPower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems and software engineering company. I work as a theoretical physicist and as a systems and mechanical engineer. Today is, with most of my weekly screencasts, be about the reciprocal system and how it compares to conventional theory. Well, let's take a look at the recently deceased Stephen Hawking, and it's no secret I disagree with him on just about every issue. So let's take a look at this article. This is from The Sun in the United Kingdom. I don't usually go to The Sun, but this is kind of interesting. It says here, Stephen Hawking fears Trump could push Earth over the brink and start a chain reaction which wipes out humanity. I mean, this is garbage. And it says here, a British professor fears global warming will cause temperatures to skyrocket beyond boiling point, sulfuric acid rain from the sky. So, I don't know, what else is in here? He says, we are close to the tipping point where global warming becomes irreversible. Trump's action could push the Earth over the brink to become like Venus. I mean, this is just crap, just like most of the physics that he wrote about. Just crap. Let's go back, and I say here, Hawking appears to be ignorant of Le Chatelier's principle as applied to the carbon cycle. If CO2 rises, the system will automatically adjust itself so as to lower CO2 levels. So at first, plant life will increase because of the additional CO2 which they take in. And for time being, animal life will increase because the plant life has increased. But it reaches another equilibrium point. It's not going to keep on going forever. Therefore, this is really a net positive for the biosphere. If you go back millions of years ago when there was higher CO2, there was a lot more plant life and animal life than there is now. So it's not a negative. Hawking is also doom and gloomer on the topic of aliens. He says they're likely to be malevolent. Again, this is very unlikely. Aliens would be under the influence of the metaphysical realm, just as we are, to at least the same degree as humans. Of course, the various nations of the world are always arguing with each other, and sometimes there's war. But given the technological level that we have and that aliens would have, particularly if it's millions or billions of years more advanced than ours, they're going to be perfectly ethical, at least for the most part. So it's not something to worry about. They're not going to come here and eat us. All right. Now that does it for today. A simple one today. The simplest possible treatment of the reciprocal system is the unmysterious universe. Has all the concepts, lots of diagrams. It's the first thing you should get if you want to study the reciprocal system. Now, if you do want all the math, all the details, then get my magnum opus, Existence and Interactions, a computational treatise of the reciprocal system, the true theory of everything. 711 pages in the PDF, and 711 slides in the PowerPoint file. Thousands and thousands of equations, diagrams, figures, tables. It'll keep you busy for months. Now, once you get through with Existence and Interactions, you should consider getting my two database modules, the Reciprocal System Microcosmos Database and the Reciprocal System Macrocosmos Database. Both modules are very detailed and have a lot of graphing functions. Microcosmos database includes the calculation properties of photons, subatoms, atoms, compounds, alloys, covers material and cosmic particles. Very complete. Quantum mechanics has nothing like this whatsoever. The verification of the reciprocal system is in this database module. Now, the reciprocal system macrocosmos database has all the properties for the astrophysical realm. That includes the universe as a whole, galaxy clusters, stars, planets, moons, minor bodies like comets and asteroids, nebulae, dust clouds, and voids. Very comprehensive, again, good graphing functions, very detailed. Of course, you can add new records in there. It's a complete database system. So the proof of the reciprocal system is in the two database modules. So again, please study the reciprocal system and prove it for yourself, and thanks for your attention.